not gonna look at you. Sorority intramurals are sports that are only among the sororities, and if you're an athlete for the school, you can't play. But all the sororities play each other in different sports, and right now for the next few weeks is volleyball. And tonight was our first game, and we played 80 Pi, and we won. For me, it's competitive because I like to win. But for a lot of people, it's just for fun. If they don't know how to play, they just go out and play for fun. I've been playing